Good evening to you all. This is Veer Maheshwar Charitable Trust Latur organizing daily international webinar series. In this series, we have invited speakers from India and abroad. Every day, we are listening from various resource persons on various topics. The topics are related to education, health, research, technical, environmental, law, health. All these topics are covered daily. In this series, today we have invited the keynote speaker, Dr. Tarvinder Kaur Madam, who is Deputy Controller of Examinations and Faculty of Commerce, St.Aloysius College, which is Autonomous College, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. As she is a researcher and she is going to deliver her topic on enhancing research efficiency through AI tools. Nowadays, we are doing research on various topics in various fields. It's not the days as like before. For every reference, we are going to library. Nowadays, the library is supplemented with other AI tools so that the efficiency of the research is increased in the view of the researcher and the research supervisor. Being a researcher, she is willing to deliver the topic on enhancing research efficiency through AI tools. She is not new for this dais. Before that, she has also delivered talks. So I request you, madam, you can introduce yourself about your academic activity, awards, achievements, educational plan, and your future plan in the education field, and then you can start your topic enhancing research efficiency through AI tools. I welcome you and all the participants, those who are joined here. Thank you.
Okay, sir, now my voice is coming to you. Okay, good evening to all the participants. I am thankful to Dr. BETKAR for giving me this wonderful opportunity to take the lecture on this topic, enhancing research efficiency through AI tools. I am feeling proud to deliver a lecture on this topic because Sir has suggested me personally to this talk on this unique topic. So, I am Dr. Tarvinder Kaur, Deputy Controller of Examination and Faculty of Commerce from St.Aloysius College, Autonomous Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I have also delivered a lecture on the previous session of the same platform with Dr. BETKAR on corporate social responsibility, that is CSR. And today I'll deliver a talk on this topic. I am Deputy Controller as well as Faculty of Commerce, and deliver lecture on Malviya Mission Teacher Training Program also. And I have done research on industrial development of Madhya Pradesh and achieved so many awards as well as degree by the grace of God. So now I'm starting my presentation, and sir, screen is visible to you? Okay, not visible. Okay, sir, that is great.
Screen is visible. Are you able to see this?
Sir, now PPT is visible. Sir, my voice is coming to you. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This is the topic. And first of all, I must say that nowadays we all know, and also we all heard a lot about AI, that is artificial intelligence. So, first of all, what is AI that is coming to our mind? Artificial intelligence refers to a system that can perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as data analysis, pattern identification, and content generation. So, this is, I think, AI defined. And basically, AI speeds up review of literature, helps in data collection as well as analysis of data, and improves accuracy as well as reduces manual efforts. So in between you can see on the screen, like research ethics is there. So basically research ethics is very important part of all this content like AI in research. Research ethics means conducting research with honesty, integrity, and responsibility to ensure that no harm is done and knowledge is used appropriately. So basically, this is the AI revolution in research. You can see on the screen. It start with manual research. We all have done this part. Then we shifted to Google's Scholar platform, and now we are using innovative AI tools for our research work. So, first of all, think of artificial intelligence as your personal research assistant, because it won't replace your ideas, but it will save your time and effort so you can focus on deeper insights. I will say that if you really do this exercise, right? So, now we are coming to the topic, that is enhancing research efficiency through AI tools. You can see that various benefits are there, and we all are familiar with these benefits, like faster review of literature. We can enhance data analysis part in our research platform, and automated summarization feature of AI we can use, but with the skill of our own judgment and paraphrasing tools, I will say. Right? So these are the steps of using AI tool in research. First, we can input the topic, that is maybe our any topic of our research. Suppose we are commerce background, we are from science as well as arts background. We can search and we can implement some AI tools on the particular topic, and we can get the result or outcome of the particular or specific field. But this is very unique thing, that we have to scrutinize or we have to refine the vast data, because without refining or without paraphrasing or without using your own skill, you cannot perform research ethically. So always remember that you are using AI tools, but you are not replacing your judgment skills to AI tools. So always remember that you have to focus on your skills. Right. So now we are coming to the various types of AI tools for research. You can see the various tools. Apart from these, artificial intelligence has become a powerful companion to your research, and powerful companion also for the researchers as well as research scholar. It not only saves time but also improves the quality of your research work by automating repetitive tasks, right? And analysis large amount of data and even suggesting new ideas or innovative ideas. So in this series, I will start with literature review tools you can see on the screen. Like first of all, Chat GPT. Nowadays, Chat GPT is very popular with us. We all familiar with this tool. So basically, what is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI tool that can quickly summarize articles, papers, or reports as well. You just paste the text or abstract in the text box and ask Chat GPT or Chat PDF for a summary, key points, or research gaps. Right? For example, if we have a paper on digital finance in India, we can ask Chat GPT to summarize it in a few lines. Okay, so this saves a lot of time compared to reading each and every single paper for our research work or summary. The next tool is Elicit. So basically, Elicit an AI tool that can make literature review much faster and easier for the researchers. So basically, it is a AI powered tool and assistant designed to help find, summarize, and analyze academic papers quickly. You can see on the screen, like suppose I am finding AI in education. So it will give the entire research work on this category, right? So basically, it is especially useful for literature review and identifying research gaps. So suppose I have to work on the same field and I have to identify a research gap on the particular field. So it will very helpful for me. So, what are the key features of Elicit? Basically, it finds relevant papers based on our research questions. Suppose we have to make any research question or any similar research on that. So, it will find and extracts key finding methods as well as results. It also helps in research gap identification. So basically, what will it highlighted? It highlighted areas whether further research is needed. Suppose I am doing some, I'm preparing some project proposal for any platform like UGC, ICSSR. So they are asking question that what are the research gap on particular field. So it will really helpful for us that we can find out some research gap identification by this tool. So and present information clearly for easy note taking. So simply you can enter a research question, for example, impact on digitalization on productivity. I am giving example from my field, but you can belonging to whatever field, you can ask a question of the particular field, like art, science, social, humanities, and etc. Now, for example, this is another example I must say that if we want to study digital finance in India, so Elicit can show all recent research paper. I will highlight this thing because suppose I have to do research in nowadays or present era, so it can show all research recent papers on the topic and summarize the findings and tell us what has not been studied yet. So it is very important thing that what is not studied yet, so we can use this platform. Now we are coming to the another tool, that is Connected Paper. Basically, Connected Paper is a research paper visualization tool. You can see on the screen that suppose you are entering AI in education. So it will create a map like this, and you will summarize the findings of any topic belonging on your research. So what is Connected Paper? Connected Paper creates a visual map of research papers. It helps us understand how papers are linked through citations and references also. This is very unique thing. So Connected Paper highlights the same thing. This is useful for exploring a research topic and finding important and influential papers. So this is very unique thing that connected papers create a visual map of this thing. You can enter title, or with the help of DOI, you can collect all the findings of research paper. So basically, connected papers generate a network graph showing related papers, as well as explore the graph to find papers that are important or connected for you. And again, I will give the example. Suppose if we have a paper on fintech adoption in India, right? Suppose you are doing anything on fintech. So connected papers can show us all other related papers to it and how they are connected. It is very important. They are doing their own task, but they are giving us the another paper connected to fintech of India. So this helps us quickly find influential studies without manual searching hundred of papers on, for example, fintech, for example, AI in education. So after review literature, this is the next category that is on the screen, that is data analysis and statistical tool, because we are doing in any field research. So statistical tools are there with the help of any kind of research paper we are preparing, or any research project we are preparing. So basically, this category of AI tools focuses on analyzing data and generating meaningful insights. So first in this series, we have SPSS with AI plugin, which simplifies statistical analysis with AI support. It can automate data cleaning and even suggest suitable model we can use. Next is R programming, that is an open source language widely used for advanced statistics, data visualization, and predictive analysis. That is very important. Finally, we have Python with AI library. Suppose you are belonging to this category, like computer science background you are having, so these are very familiar tools. And for the other, that is, first is pandas for data handling, numpy for numerical computing, and scikit-learn for machine learning for predictive modeling. So predictive modeling is a very unique thing, that on the basis of past data you can create a study or any research project for the future, or future analysis. And in short, all these tools help us move from raw data to structured analysis, and finally towards valuable insight. So with the help of all these data, we can find out any new or innovative insights. Now we are coming to the reference management tool. You can see on the screen. So first of all, managing references is a very important part of research, and AI has made this task much easier than the before. So first of all, in this category, Zotero, which help in organizing and citing reference quickly and accurately, right? So the second is Mendeley, which is not only a reference manager but also support collaboration, allowing researchers to share and manage reference together. And the third is EndNote, which now comes with AI assisted recommendations. It can suggest relevant references and ensure that citations follow the required style automatically. So, overall, all these tools save researchers time, reduce errors, and make the process of writing and referencing much more efficient. And it gives look a personal, professional, as well as very creative looks to your research work. Now we are coming to content generation as well as drafting part. So this is another important category of our research work, that is content generation. Suppose we are drafting our research work. So in this series, first is chat GPT. We have already discussed. We are not repeating the same thing. The second thing is Writeful app, so which is designed specifically for academic writing. It provides AI powered text enhancement by suggesting better vocabulary, sentence structure, and improving overall clarity. Suppose we are starting our writing work for the research category. So this is very unique category, and you must and you should use Writeful app tool. Then next is finally Grammarly, which most of us familiar with the Grammarly part. It focuses on grammar, spelling, and style checking, ensuring that the writing is error free and it looks like professional. Together, these tools improve the quality of writing, save time, and make research communication more effective. Now, this is, I have not mentioned in the first slide. You can see the PPT if you have already taken the screenshot. But this is very important, plagiarism and quality check. Without plagiarism checking or quality checking, you are not uploading or you are not pasting any text in any platform, because this is unethical use of AI tool, right? So suppose you are using AI tool and you are not familiar with plagiarism or quality check. So it is very important for you that first you will check plagiarism category of your research work, and then you can upload any research on any platform. So this is the three category we are using in this plagiarism or quality check. Maybe you all are familiar with all plagiarism tools. So, with my personal experience, I have shared three different tools like Turnitin. This is plagiarism detection tool. It compares your content with various databases and publications. It is very important for us also, and provides an originality report. This helps us check how unique our writing is. You can see whether you are experiencing or not. Suppose it gives 70% human and 30% plagiarism you are using. So you can use with you you can take the advantages of this report. By the this report, like 30%, suppose AI is find out, so this 30% you can clear plagiarism, and you can use your thoughts, your judgment skill, and your uniqueness of this in your research paper. And the second is Grammarly. We have already discussed. This use improves grammar, spelling, clarity, and overall writing skills. It ensures that our academic work is professional and error free. The third tool, Quillbot. I am using this tool also, Quillbot. So basically, this is AI powered paraphrasing tool, and it helps us reframe sentences, reduce duplication, and enhance content quality. So this is very important. Suppose we are using all these tools and our paper is unique. So this is the complete and fulfillness of research ethics. So together, these tools not only make our research plagiarism free, but also improve the overall quality of our research paper or research project, whatever we are doing. So at a glance, all these research tools you can see on the screen. And this is very important. I have make a table for participants, your convenient, that first of all, you have to check that what stage you are using, like topic selection, review of literature, data analysis part, writing or editing, referencing, and finally you have to check plagiarism report of your research work. Without plagiarism checking, this is the unethical use of research tool, because AI is doing their part, right? AI is artificial intelligence, but we have to combine our uniqueness to our research work. This is very important. Okay, so now we are coming to the advantages of using AI in research. You can see on the screen that there are various advantages. I must say, first, suppose I am talking about increased efficiency. So, definitely, AI significantly reduces the time required for repetitive and labor intensive tasks, right? Such as what are the labor intensive tasks? It does mean that suppose we are doing review of literature work, data collection, as well as report drafting. So automated tools help streamline processes, enabling researchers to focus on critical thinking, that is very important for you, and interpretation as well as innovation rather than routine tasks. Okay, so these we have to conclude in our research work. The next is enhanced accuracy. Definitely AI powered system minimize human error in data handling, missing values, you can see in your research work, statistical analysis as well as referencing. The third advantages is improved data analysis. With the ability of handle vast amount of structured as well as unstructured data, artificial intelligence tools make data analysis faster, deeper, and more comprehensive. They can identify hidden patterns, correlation. They may not be visible through traditional methods that in the previous years we were doing like that. So with the help of AI, we can improve data analysis part of our research, and new insights are also you can create. So with the help of AI tools, it enables researchers to generate fresh hypotheses, explore interdisciplinary connection. You can make out your research as well as the other part, and open new direction of inquiry, thereby contributing to the advancement of knowledge. So basically, on the basis of your previous knowledge, you can create new insights in your research work. So while AI has many advantages in research, it also come out with some certain challenges as well as ethical considerations. You can see on the screen, and maybe you all are familiar with all these challenges as well as ethical consideration. So first, there is risk of plagiarism. Yes, definitely, if AI generated content is copied directly without proper referencing or originality check. So basically, you have to verify, you have to make your own judgmental style, and you have to keep your skill rather than copied or pasting something else data to your research paper, right? And second is over reliance on AI. Suppose I am using AI, no doubt I am not using, I am definitely using AI tool, but over reliance on AI is harmful certain times. So basically, it may reduce critical thinking also and skills among researchers. Suppose you are new in this field, suppose you are a research scholar and you are using AI tool, so it will harm your skill ability as well as critical thinking power. You have already having this skill, but suppose you are over reliance and over dependent on AI tools, so this can be harmful to you also. And it become too dependent on automated output instead of their own judgment or own skills rather than AI tools. So third is we must acknowledge biases in AI data sets. Since AI learns from existing data, any bias in that particular data can affect your research output. Suppose I am giving one small example. If AI system is trained mostly on, for example, male candidates' resumes, right? It may learn that male candidates are more suitable for jobs. So it results unfair treatment of female applicants, right? So with this example, you can now you can identify some biases in AI tools. So we should aware of these biases, and we have to create the transparent system. Finally, sometimes AI models work like black boxes, you have seen, making it difficult to explain that how a result was generated, and this affects the reproducibility of your research findings. So therefore, while AI is powerful, it must be used responsibly with human oversights, right? So this comes like ethical use of AI in research. It has given on the screen. Avoid over dependence. Definitely, I will say. Then second is, first you have to verify and originality of the particular and something else data you are using. So first you have to cite, first you have to verify the data, and data privacy concern when uploading research material. This is very important because and you have to mention tools where whatever you are using something else data, or you have to using some AI tool, so you have to mention the particular thing and uh, uh, retry that. Suppose you are doing some citations are given, so you can convert it into your own words also, right? It is very important quote I have given in my presentation, that artificial intelligence won't replace researchers, but researchers who use AI will replace those who don't. So this is very important task for you also. Whenever you are using something else data, or you are preparing any research paper or any project you are doing, so you have to very careful about research ethics also. Here are some practical demonstration or example you can see on the screen. Now let us look some practical demonstration of how AI can be used of your research. These are some unique example. So first, AI can be used for summarizing a research article, right? Instead of reading lengthy papers, AI tools like ChatGPT or Elicit can provide concise summaries highlighting the key points. I will give a small example, like suppose I upload a research paper, AI can instantly give me the summary. So you can use by this way. Second, AI is very useful in cleaning and analyzing survey data, right? So it can quickly detect errors, missing values, or patterns in responses, making the data more reliable for research. For example, if I have messy survey data, AI can clean and analyze it for me. Then I will convert it into my own words. Then third, AI can assist in generating research questions or even creating a literature map. This is very important. So what are the tools for this? Tools like connected papers or research rabbit help visualization connection between various studies and making it easier to identify gaps as well as new research direction. For example, if I am stuck on finding new research questions, suppose any research category or any research platform, they are asking for any research question for related to your research, so AI tools can suggest possible directions and show me a literature map. So this is very helpful for me also. So these examples show how AI not only saving time but also supporting creativity as well as innovation in your research work. So now we are coming to the some future trends. This is the uniqueness of present era, that what are the future trends of all these AI automated system. So first of all, AI is set to transform research in several existing ways. So first, AI assisted hypothesis generation. Hypothesis generation tool will help researchers create innovative ideas and research direction by analyzing vast database or literature. So for this, you can use fiber.ai, testit.so, you can use for hypothesis generation. And second, we'll see the automated systems review, where AI can quickly screen categories and summarize thousands of studies, saving months of efforts. So it will really helpful for us that we can use in this direction. So we can save lot of time, energy by these systematic reviews tools. Then predictive analytics in research. What does it means? It will become a core part of research, right? On the basis of previous data, you can make the predictive analytics for the future generation or future research work. So it allow us to forecast trends, behaviors, and outcomes with greater accuracy, right? So finally, AI will increasingly be integrated with lab instrument also and IoT devices, making real time data collection, analysis, and monitoring more seamless than ever before. So basically, these trends you can see on the screen, these trends highlights that AI is not just a support tool today, but will be a driving force shaping the future of research also. But you have to remember that you are following your own skill path also, right? So for coming to the conclusion of this presentation, I must say, open, ready, aware, and conclude by your own judgment or innovative ideas, right? So this is very important part. You have to always remember this thing, that you have to open, ready, aware, and conclude. So now to conclude, AI, artificial intelligence is needed a powerful research assistant, but it cannot and should not replace human judgment, right? You have to remember your entire research journey, that you are not replacing your ideas, right? Its role is to support us in making research more efficient, accurate, and innovative. So however, the key lies in its responsible as well as ethical use, ensuring that we maintain originality, critical thinking, and transparency in our research work. So finally, I would encourage all scholars as well as researchers to experiment with AI tools and thoughtfully integrate them into their workflow. This will not only enhance productivity but also open up new opportunity for creativity. Last but not the least, thank you so much for listening patiently. And this is the small mental exercise I have included in my presentation. How many of you have used AI tools like Chat GPT, Chat PDF, or any other tool for your research work? You can share your experience.
Thank you, Tarvinder, Dr. Tarvinder Kaur, madam.
Yes, sir.
It was the best presentation and useful presentation to all. हम सब रिसर्चर है और इस दौर में हमारा रिसर्च टाइटल सेलेक्ट करने से, लिटरेचर कलेक्ट करने से, लिटरेचर रिव्यू, स्टैटिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ डाटा, थ्रस्ट एरियाज और प्लेगरिज्म चेकिंग, इन सभी स्टेज पे ऊपर रेफरेंसेस सभी स्टेज में हम कैसा यूज कर सकते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से आपने हमें समझाया। और कौन से स्टेप पे हम यूज करने चाहिए एथिकली. So that was also very best presented by you. And in a slide, you have given everything other. So the researchers, those who are here, they definitely use this in future to have a great efficiency in their research. So first of all, thank you from my organization and from all the participants. Now I request the participants to unmute themselves and they can discuss with our resource person. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Participants, you can ask whatever you want to ask, आप पूछ सकते हैं. Suppose आपके कोई experience रहे हो, you can share all your experience also. And if you are stuck somewhere, you can also share with me. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. Thank you so much. Any question?
All the participants are requested. आप सभी को विनंती है कि आप अपना कुछ क्वेश्चन है इसके बारे में आप पूछ सकते हैं. आपका पीपीटी कुछ पार्टिसिपेंट ने मंगवाया है, तो आप मुझे शेयर करने के बाद मैं उनको शेयर कर देता हूँ.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, I will share to you my presentation. You can share to your audience.
और ये अपना आज का सेशन YouTube पे भी अवेलेबल है. जिन लोगों को अगर पीपीटी नहीं मिला तो YouTube से भी वो डिटेल टूल्स वगैरह यूज कर सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं. जयवीर सिंह जी, आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं?
जी नमस्ते मैडम.
नमस्ते सर.
रिसर्च के क्षेत्र में बात की है, अगर हम AI से कोई मटेरियल लेते हैं, वो कितना मतलब उसके संदर्भ देते हैं AI के, उससे तो कितना महत्वपूर्ण रहता है और कितना विश्वसनीय रहता है, मतलब कितना विश्वसनीय रहेगा अगर AI से हम कुछ मटेरियल कलेक्ट करते हैं?
जी सर, आपने बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है. और ये जो आपकी जो क्वेरी है, दैट इज वेरी रेलेवेंट कि हम जो क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हैं AI से, या हम जो भी चीजें यूज करते हैं, तो AI हमें जो भी आंसर करता है, क्या वो बिल्कुल सही है? तो ये मैं अपनी एक्सपीरियंस से आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि जितने भी रिसर्च पेपर मैं लिखती हूँ, या जो भी प्रपोजल प्रोजेक्ट के मैं भेजती हूँ, या सपोज मैं कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस कंडक्ट कराना चाहती हूँ और मैं उसके बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चन करती हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली AI विल आंसर. AI बिल्कुल मुझे आंसर करेगा और मैं उन सारी चीजों को कहीं ना कहीं यूज करूंगी. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू वेरीफाई. मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान भी इस बात को रखा कि हम ब्लाइंडली AI टूल को यूज ना करें. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आज के समय में बहुत ही यूनिक चीज है, क्योंकि ये आपका बहुत ही ज्यादा जो आप बहुत ही देर तक, जैसे कि मैं अपनी रिसर्च जर्नी जो शेयर करूं, तो जैसे कि अगर मैं भी कोई टॉपिक अगर सिलेक्ट करती थी, तो उसके बारे में बहुत सारे पेपर हमें एडवाइस किया जाता था. जो हमारे सीनियर्स होते थे वो हमें एडवाइस करते थे कि यू हैव टू थॉरोली रीड for particular research paper as well as projects. तो हम उनको पढ़ते थे, बहुत सारा टाइम देते थे, और उसके बाद हम उसमें से समरी जो था वो उसको लिखते थे. तो डेफिनेटली बहुत सारा टाइम हमारा इसी में चला जाता था, तब जब तक रिसर्च पेपर हमारा रेडी होता था. तो ये मैं जरूर कहूंगी कि AI जो है टाइम को सेव कर रहा है, लेकिन हाँ, जब भी आप AI से कोई डेटा लें तो आप उसे वेरीफाई जरूर कर लें. तो क्या होगा कि जितना टाइम आप रिसर्च पेपर को पढ़ने में लगाते थे, उससे बिल्कुल मैं कहती हूँ 5 या 7 मिनट आपके लगेंगे, और आप उसको वेरीफाई कर लेंगे, देन यू कैन यूज द पर्टिकुलर डेटा. तो पहले आप उसकी विश्वसनीयता, उसकी ओरिजिनलिटी को एक बार चेक कर लें, और उसके बाद आप उसे अपने खुद के शब्दों में लिखें. सो दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू एंड योर फील्ड ऑल्सो. ठीक है, मतलब आप ब्लाइंडली उस पर फेथ ना करें. मतलब जैसे कि आपने डेटा ले लिया और एज इट इज आपने उसे कहीं पब्लिश करा दिया, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. और मैं तो ये प्रेफर करूंगी कि कहीं पर भी हम जो भी पेपर पब्लिश कराते हैं, जो भी रिपोर्ट हमें मिलती है, उसके बेसिस पर हम अपना काम करें तो वो और भी अच्छा होगा. ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. लाइक जैसे कि मुझे ही अगर बताया गया कि मेरे डेटा में अगर 15% प्लेजरिज्म निकला है, तो इट मीन्स कि मैंने डेटा को या तो साइट नहीं किया बराबर से, और या तो मैंने उसे बहुत अच्छे से रीफ्रेम नहीं किया. ठीक है, तो आप पहले डेटा ले लें, उसे आप रीफ्रेम करें, अपने शब्दों में उस कंटेंट को जनरेट करें, अपनी स्किल को यूज करें और अपनी थिंकिंग पावर को उसमें लगाएं, तब आप देखेंगे कि जो एआई आपको रिजल्ट दे रहा है उसे आपने और भी बेहतर बना लिया। सो आई होप कि आपको आंसर मिला हो मेरी इन बातों से।
जी धन्यवाद मैडम, बहुत ही अच्छा आपने...
जी थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
और पार्टिसिपेंट जो पूछना चाहते हैं रिसर्च के बारे में आप पूछ सकते हैं। जयवीर सिंह जी आपको धन्यवाद है। जयवीर सिंह जी खुद रिसर्च कर रहे हैं अभी अहिल्यानगर में, तो
अच्छा।
सभी जो रिसर्च है मेजर उनको ये चैप्टर अच्छी तरह से समझ में भी आया है, टूल्स आपने दिए वाले हैं, प्रत्यक्ष वो यूज जब करेंगे तब उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया तो आपसे कांटेक्ट करेंगे ही, और वहाँ तो यूजर फ्रेंडली सब इंफॉर्मेशन रहती है तो उसका यूज जरूर करेंगे। तो आपका महत्वपूर्ण टाइम हमारे इस वेबिनार को आपने दिया है। एक्चुअली आपका स्पीच तो दिसंबर में था, मगर बहुत लेट होता और ये टॉपिक जल्दी होना चाहिए, ऐसी मेरी इच्छा थी, इसलिए मैंने आपको बहुत जल्दी रिक्वेस्ट किया और आपने एक्सेप्ट भी की। आपके सभी फ्यूचर प्लान्स को हमारी तरफ से बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, और भविष्य में भी आप ऐसे यूजफुल टॉपिक लेके यहाँ निमंत्रित रह सकती है। आप जब कभी यहाँ वेबिनार में ज्वाइन होके आपको कुछ कहना है आपके रिसर्च के बारे में या और नए टॉपिक पे, तो आपका स्वागत है। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सत श्री अकाल।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Not opening, sir.
Sir, both links are not opening, sir.
सर मैं बता देता हूँ इसका, कभी कभी समस्या होती है। आप क्या करो, जिसका ओपन नहीं हो रहा है उसको कॉपी करके क्रोम पे पेस्ट कर दो, वहां पर ओपन करके देखो। कई बार ऐसी समस्या होती है टेक्निकल।